Simplifying a ratio with prime factor tiles. If I had the ratio of 9 feet to 2 yards, I could express that as 3 times 3 for 9 and just 2 for 2. In order to include my units, feet and yards, I can make my own little tiles out of craft foam, feet and yards, or I could put stickers on the back of my prime factor tiles. To simplify this ratio, we need to make like units. And in order to do that, we bring in the conversion factor that relates feet to yards. I think most of us should know that 3 feet equals 1 yard. Now, if you look at the way I've done this, feet times feet will give us feet squared, and yards times yards will give us yards squared, and we won't get any closer to simplifying this ratio. We need these units to cancel out. I can write that ratio instead as 1 yard per 3 feet. And now I have feet times yards over yards times feet. Well, we've already multiplied fractions before, and multiplying ratios is no different. We remove the times tile, and we just slide all the factors together. The only difference this time is we have unit factors in addition to numerical factors. First thing we may notice is 3 is common to the numerator and denominator, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times any number is the number itself, and so these 3's can be removed from our ratio. Well, in the same way that 3 was common to the numerator and denominator, feet is common to the numerator and denominator, and a foot divided by a foot equals 1. The unit cancels out completely. And also with yards. A yard divided by a yard is 1, and that cancels out. The 1 is unnecessary because we have a 3 in the numerator, and the ratio of 9 feet to 2 yards simplifies to a ratio of 3 to 2. 3 to 2 has no dimensions, and that means I can bring in 3 feet per 2 feet, or I could make this 3 yards per 2 yards, or any other units for length, such as 3 meters per 2 meters. The ratio is simply 3 to 2.